Highway Code, Rule 11, one-way streets. Check which way the traffic is moving. Do not cross until it is safe to do so without stopping. Bus and cycle lanes may operate in opposite directions to the rest of the traffic. So, particularly in those situations as a driver, pedestrians can be confused and look the wrong way. Highway Code, Rule 12. Bus and cycle lanes. Take care when crossing these lanes, as traffic may be moving faster than in other lanes or against the flow of the traffic. Highway Code, Rule 13. Route shared with cyclists. Some cycle tracks run alongside footpaths or pavements, using a segregating feature to separate cyclists from people on foot. Segregated routes may also incorporate short lengths of tactile paving to help visually impaired people stay on the correct side. On the pedestrian side, this will comprise a series of flat-topped bars running across the directions of travel, a ladder pattern. On the cyclist side, the same bars are orientated in the direction of travel, tram-like pattern. Not all routes which are shared with cyclists are segregated. Take extra care where this is so. So, not particularly relevant to car drivers, but for pedestrians and cyclists, they don't follow the rules, so take extra care if you're using a shared route.